Access granted. Welcome to the Giti Tire Testing Labs. Initiating varied pressure test.
When a tire is underinflated, it causes excessive sidewall flexing and wear. This can lead to dangerously hot tire temperatures, which may cause the tire to blow out and cause an accident. Overinflation equally negatively impacts a tire's performance due to a smaller contact area with the road, leading to less grip and high wear in the center of the tire. Higher wear and air pressure increases vibrations, reducing comfort and increasing the likelihood of a tire failure. Stay safe and extend the lifespan of your tires by maintaining the correct tire pressure.
Simulation complete.